Hi, welcome to Oma's Kitchen.
Oregano.
Let me talk for a couple of minutes about tomatoes. Some people take tomatoes home from the grocery store and put them in the refrigerator. That is the worst thing you can do to a tomato. That's just being mean to a tomato, because when you subject tomatoes to a very cold environment, they lose all of their flavor. And then they're just, they're sad. Tomatoes are meant to be on the counter and eaten within a couple of days. Now there are several different kinds of tomatoes, I'm sure everybody knows. Here's some Roma tomatoes that I got at the grocery store. And those you'll notice come with no vine still connected to them. More firm, they have less juice, but they are very sweet. So I tend to use these for fresh applications like salsa or bruschetta, or things that I'm making that I want a nice fresh sweet tomato for. Even slicing them and adding some tarragon, salt and pepper over the top. These are wonderful to go on the side with a fresh dish or in a salad. But one thing I know about Romas is they're not good for canning. When you're canning tomatoes, you want tomatoes with a lot of juice in them, and Romas are not like that. When I can tomatoes, I use garden tomatoes. These are just garden tomatoes on the vine. The vine actually helps keep the tomato nice and fresh until you're ready to use it. When I buy tomatoes at the grocery store, I want the ones with the vine still connected to them. And I bring them home, I wash them, and then I set them on my counter, and I use them within a few days. You might want to try a whole bunch of different varieties, but if you're trying to get together a whole bunch of tomatoes for canning, like I do every fall, go for the garden tomatoes. This year when I canned these, I mixed in a bunch of the fresh field tomatoes that I got at the farm stand, and I added heirloom tomatoes to it. I had half a bushel of the garden tomatoes and probably 3 pounds, 4 pounds of heirloom tomatoes that I cut up and mixed in with them. I'm not sure how canning all heirloom tomatoes would come out because they're all different colors. And what you're looking for in canned tomatoes is this gorgeous red color. And I'm going to use this can of tomatoes today in a soup that I'm making. So I just wanted to share with you the proper handling of tomatoes. You want them nice and ripe, and you want them on the counter and preferably still connected to their vine. Unless you're doing Romas, please be nice to your tomatoes. They're really good. Don't ruin them in the refrigerator. Okay, that's our Oma's Kitchen Tips video for this week. Thank you for joining me in Oma's Kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll upload more tasty videos soon, and a special shout out to Moon Pie and Lil Bit. Till next time.